I am Dr. Vivek Mahajan. I am an interventional cardiologist practicing at Fortis Hospital, Mumbai. Now I shall be talking about excimer lasers. Many a times we do calcified lesions and CTOs and we can get the wire through. But after getting the wire through the lesion, nothing goes through. The balloon, the smallest balloon, the 0.75 balloon does not go. The microcatheter does not go. Then what options do we have? If the microcatheter could have gone, we could have exchanged it with a rotawire and we could have done the rotablation, but that doesn't work. We have options like Tornus, but many times the Tornus catheter won't cross, and then we have to abandon the procedure. But now we have a new tool, and that is the excimer laser. Now this excimer laser, it delivers energy at the tip of the catheter and it makes photochemical changes to the lesion. It induces molecular changes in the lesion particles and thereby softens the plaque. It not only modifies the plaque, it also modifies the artery around the plaque. So now with this excimer lesion, the uncrossable lesion becomes crossable. The excimer lesion many a times walks through the calcified lesion which was hitherto uncrossable. Even if the laser catheter is unable to cross the calcified lesion, it induces changes, it softens the plaque and other deliverable materials can be delivered. So this excimer laser has made our life more easier and made complex PCIs more possible, where hitherto they could not be crossed with a balloon after the wire has been crossed. Now the lasers can be used in other situations like in-stent restenosis. They can be used in acute coronary syndromes with high thrombus load. I hope this laser technology is available to more people and we can use it to make our lives more easier in complex PCIs.